Welcome back friends with Art Life with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make jewelry box or small gift box with the flag of England, a Great Britain flag, and coil, square cooling coil, paper strips. For that we need one small square, die, cooling tool and glue. So let's start. We will start first. Let's start friends. First we need strip 150 mm, 150 mm, and this one 300 mm. So we will make first a square coil. Just make like this. Then put the glue. Now we will remove this. This one we have to make the coil with the coiling tool that I made by myself with the cotton wash. Done it. That one. This one for the border of base. This one we make the red and white, the base and the coil. Now we are making the light yellow color. This is for border of flag. So for flag we need 11 red square coils, 24 white coils square, and 32 light yellow coils. Now we done it. 24 white, 11 red, and 32 light yellow for the border. So that's all. For that we need one square box because we have to make it proper this one. After 3 we will put one red. Step done. Now we will put the one. Now third step we will put all red. Now again the upper one same stuff. 3 white, 1 red, 3 white, 1 red, down, 3 white, 1 red, 3 white, 1 red. It will make a full flag of the Great Britain. Now friends we make the flag fully. British England flag. Now we will put the 32 round coils around the flag. Then we will put make a box with a multicolored 8 different colors box. So we will start with the this one. Then we will be back to make fully box. Okay, we will finish once. Then I will show you the border. Now friends, we put the border light yellow color as you can see. Now we will put the walls around the base. We use multicolors: purple, yellow, red, green, light blue, black, blue, orange. All are 20, 20, 20 purple, all are 20, 20, 20, 20. We need around border. So let's start from the purple. Start from half yellow. Red. yellow, red, halfway, okay, blue, black, dark blue, orange, then again, yellow, see my hand was sticky with the blue, so that's why now I try to stick my hand like that. Now friends, we already made one step. Now friends, we done the first step. Let's start the second step. For second step, we have to put this half on purple, half on yellow. Okay, same with the yellow. Make it very nice and clear everything. It will stick it proper and also make it clear like this. You can see we did now the first step and now second step same like this. Half light blue, half. Now we will, friends, we make two steps of the box as you can see everywhere. Step by step it will come same like our last tutorial. Now third step we will start and until last I will show you. Half purple, yellow, red, green, light blue, black. Yeah. See friends, now which step you can see. So we will finish third, fourth, fifth and sixth, then I will show you. So friends, we already done 4 steps of the box. You can see very clearly the flag is inside and the multicolor coils are outside around. You can see it looks very awesome. So let's start the final and last step. Now we are doing. So I will finish the full one, then I will show you that everything is clear. So go and start from this one. Blue. Everything same step by step if you do. It's very easy to make it complete. So friends, we did it. See? Like this. I hope you like our video and you can make it at home easily. Please keep watching our videos. If you like, please comment, like and share it. Subscribe our channel. And if any question about this or any video of our channel Art Life, feel free and ask us on comment section. So we will meet you another tutorial in the next video. Until next video, see you. Allah Hafiz. Bye.